Hey guys, it's Dawn from Coffee and Diamonds here with another unboxing from Amazon. This is a 6-pack diamond painting. Let's see. I ordered this on March 15th and received it on March 15th. I think it was less than 6 hours when I ordered it and I got it. Let's see, it's a 6-pack of diamond paintings, full drill. Yeah, it's supposed to be 20 by 30s. So, we are gonna take a look. Okay, the price I paid for this is $19.54. Right now, if you look at Amazon, it is actually $25.99 at the moment. But yeah, so let's get to it. Let me make sure. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Comes in this box, and they look like this. I'm gonna move some stuff out my way over here. All right, you know, coffee and diamonds. I gotta have my coffee and my diamonds. So, this all comes in a box. Let's see, 1, we'll move it over, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Comes with some labels, a card on how to diamond paint, and a kit. And we'll go over this kit in just a second. Let me go ahead and pull these out. They are folded like that, which it's not a hard crease or anything, so that should be pretty easy to lay flat. I'm gonna lay the box over here. Actually, where am I gonna lay this box? Just right here on my steps. Yepers, right there, good spot. So let's go over this kit real quick. We have three pins. Looks like a 9-placer, a 6-placer, and a 3-placer. Might be a 10-placer, I'm not sure. There we go. With just regular tips. We get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 squares of wax right there. You get some little baggies right here. And then you get a blue tray that has a pen holder on it. Don't know why. I've got one like this, but I don't use a pen holder. But I guess somebody might use a pen holder, and that's fine. So, let me put this back where I found it. You know, real quick. And I really don't like to edit my videos, so either I do it in the video or I just throw it to the side for later. So, that's the toolkit you get. Let's take a look at those labels. All right. They have labels like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 4. See, 8, 16, I think 32 labels. Pretty cool. They're shiny, so you may want a Sharpie to write on them. I'm not sure. So let's move the drills. And I don't know if I'm gonna open all those drills, but we'll see. So let's And I was wrong. These are 40 by 30s, not 20 by 30s. I don't even know why I said 20 by 30. I have only gotten one 20 by 30 so far, and that was an Evershine double-sided adhesive. Not the most pleasant thing to work on. So anyway, let me turn it around. Alright, this one is a waterfall, and look how pretty and clear that is on camera. That is gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. Alright, if you want to see the drill field, look how shiny, or not shiny, how clear that is. Alright, so this one has 20 colors, and, ooh, nice stick. Anyway, yeah, so this one has 20 colors right here. Okay. And the drills for this one. If you don't want to see me go through the drills for all of them, just, you know, fast forward. I will go over them quickly. I'm not going to say names or anything. I'm just going to show them. So, here we go. Look pretty good so far. Got a couple stragglers in there. And there we go. So, since there's so many of these, I will put them back in their little baggies when I'm done with this video. Not going through all that on video. So, that was number one. Then we have this one, which is so pretty. You know, you could take and just put these on your wall. You don't even have to drill them. I mean, yeah, that's how pretty they are. So, we'll look at the drill field for this one too. Sorry about my light. Look how pretty that is, clear. Alright. Ooh, I love the little house. Alright, so this is 3. Okay, so these are the colors we're getting with this one. And I really like these. To go ahead and say I bought these with my own money. Any opinions on this video are my personal opinions. I will give a post review on all paintings that I finish, when I finish them. So, that being said, let's get to looking at these colors. Okay, I was about to say, I thought they said 2. I was like, where's number 1? Alright. And here we go with these. This little section here. Those two. This one, I don't know if that's dusty. Maybe. I'm not sure. But we'll, once I get into it, we'll do a little review and let you know how the drills are. Alright, so anyway, I'm just going to put these to the side. Once again, You're going over here. Okay. So that was this one. Okay. And look at that. Isn't that so pretty? So pretty. Okay, drill fill. Nice and clear. Light letters on darks and dark letters on light ones. Yep. So, I'm not going to go through the drills for the last 4. I will show you the packaging for the drills. Let's see, that was 82. That's a tool. Okay. So this one's going to have, well, I guess I will, because some people want to see it. And I don't want to disappoint. And you can always fast forward if you don't want to see them. Right. Okay. Okay, a little drill ASMR here. Find different places to keep all these so that they don't get mixed up. Okay, so yes, and that was the thing there. This one, can you see them? I can see them. They are cute. Here they are. Aren't they just so cute? Woody, boo, boo. Anyway, all right, so this one has 24 colors. I will measure the last one, not these. But anyway, so drill fill. Little swans, look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to check the sticky on this one. That's good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Keep forgetting I got there's 3 of them left. All right, so again, 24 colors. Yeah, there we go. And the drills for this one's 585. Here we go. That got loud. I'm sorry. It's near the microphone. So that was the little swanners. And here's the purple. The rounded waterfalls with the trees. It's so pretty. It really is. To me, it looks like a negative of something. Sorry about that. I had to have a little sip of coffee. It's only 12:13 a.m. So coffee's still good. All right, so drill field. Looking good as ever. 22 colors, mostly purple and some more purple. So, yeah, let's get into these purples. And if I didn't mention, the DMCs are on the canvas, but not the bags. Okay, so here we go. And that's not a brown, of course that's a purple. Ooh. And those two. Okay. I'll throw those there. And for the last one, look at that. Looky there. This one reminds me of a park in Columbia, South Carolina, where I grew up, called Sydney Park. Used to be called Sydney. It's probably not called Sydney Park anymore. But it had the prettiest little waterfalls. It may still, but I know it did when I was young. A lifetime ago. But anyway, alright. So this one has 24 colors. Drill fill. Yeah, so this one's got more of a variety of color on it. And we're going to measure this one. I'm going to measure this one. If I can find my measuring tape. Oh, there it is. I found it. So, they say 30 by 40s. Let's see. It does look pretty big, so. Almost 35. But I bet you it's gonna say 25. Yes, 25. So the canvas itself, 25 by 35, and the drill space, 25 by 35. The canvas itself, 30 by 40, which is typical nowadays. So we have one more bag of drills to go, right here. It's going to be fun to load all these drills back up. Okay. If you don't like the crinkling and the drills, go ahead, fast forward to what I have to say next. I will not be offended at all. $5.87. Pretty. We'll see some static. Ooh, look at him jumping around in there. Ooh. Okay, anyway, sorry. Back to it. Ooh, did you see that yellow? Okay, so that is all the paintings and all the drills. If I don't even have no location to put drills, but that's okay. That's okay. I will enjoy putting them back in the packages, like the person that packs them. Yeah. Okay, so we have this one, a little refresher, and this one, and this one. Just about every color palette you could think of. Oh, that's so pretty. And that one. And that one. How about you give me a comment down in the bottom and tell me which one's your favorite? Which one do you like the best? Would it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Yep. All of them my favorite. Can't make up my mind. But anyway, guys, I really do appreciate you coming and spending time with me today. I look forward to doing these videos for y'all. And yeah, also would like to say, if you're a small YouTuber and you follow me, I more than likely will follow you back. Not just to get followers, but if I like your content, I'll follow you back. But yeah, if you like this video and the ones I've done in the past, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, knock on the bell, so you'll know when my next video comes out. And until then, I will say stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!